In this video, we're going to cover the Timer Pro Professional Ergonomics module. On the screen here, you can see a line balance where we've identified the non-value-added components here in the blue and the orange. And what we're going to do is switch to the ergonomics view. To do that, we click on View at the top here and we select the ergonomics. And you'll see the colors changing. Now, items in grey are no ergonomic stress. Items in green have slight ergonomic stress. Yellow, medium, and red is something you want to look at in more detail here. To show you how we put together the ergonomics, you basically double click on any chip you wish to review. Let's say the secure tray here. And that'll bring up the ergonomics module. And here you can see the actual video analysis of that particular task where the operator is securing the tray. And obviously in this case the operator is inserting a couple of screws. There's some stress on the hands, probably the elbows, maybe even the shoulder. And if we restart it again and play it one more time, there's probably a little bit of discomfort in the back as well, having to lean over here. So what we want to do is be able to describe that over here in the body map that you see here. So what we're going to do is we just simply click on the individual body member. So in this case, the left hand, and let's say it's light to moderate stress in that one. So we click on that here, right? Other options we can do is identify what types of stress is on here. So let's say there's some force going on here, so we'll put some force in there, and we want to know what percentage of the activity is actually involved in this. So if I restart it again, you can see if I play the video and if I stop it, it will actually show you this is the 19% of the total video clip here, which is the time for the task, is actually associated with this particular activity. So you might highlight the 20% here. That's just an example of how you can set it. Now we say there's also going to be a little bit of stress on the arm here. So if we keep on playing the video, the operator's probably pushing fairly hard here. So we'll put a light to moderate stress on that as well. And there's probably a little bit of stress on the shoulder here, so we'll put that in there as well. So you can see I'm identifying the left-hand side of the activity here. Now the operator has a little bit of twisting going on as well, so we might say lower back here. And we'll say it's just light there, and there's going to be some twisting going on in that, and that's a very small piece, so we'll just leave it at 10% there. And if we play it again here, you'll see if I restart it again here, the operator's already wearing ear protection here, so it's obviously a bit of noise here, so we might want to make a note of that. Just say little or no stress there because already wearing ear protection. So we can put notes in here for the various tasks that we're watching here. Okay, so now we've got a complete analysis of it. We can click here on the print and it will instantly send that out to Excel for us. You can see here, open up the Excel sheet here, move it back up. Here's the detail of everything we found here now inside Excel. You can see we've identified the study that was involved, the activity, the task and the activity, the type that was value added, and activity, total activity time, and you can see it's broken down here. And here you can even see I've got the notes attached here and any twisting and turning and straining and so forth. So everything is documented here. Now it's in Excel, and that makes it rather easier for you to perhaps to resize the image here. You just drag it around, put it wherever you want, and you can use all your own Excel skills to make it look any way that you wish here. So again, it's very simple. You just simply click on the print here and it will send it instantly out to Excel. And when I save that and I exit back out, you'll see that it's changed the color on that particular activity in this task to yellow. We always pick the highest stress within the activity here. It will show up here. So I'm just completing a little bit more of my ergonomics analysis here. And if I do it one more time, let's say I want to do this, arrange this small stack here. Just want to show you one other feature here. You'll notice down here, for more information on ergonomics, click here. So we click on this here. It's going to open up, in this case, a NIOSH document talking about the various elements of an ergonomics program. Now we realize that many of you will have your own sources for this type of material, maybe something in an internal document. So what we've decided to do is make this link actually user definable, and it's in a little file called ergolink.txt, and that particular text is in the timer palm folder, right? See timer pan folder, ergolink.txt here. So you can change it to anything you want by editing this particular file, putting your own URL in there, and all that you put in here will be the link that appears. You can see if I hover over it here when you click on here. So that's a good way of giving you additional information about the different ergonomic capabilities here. So I'll just click on the exit here, bring me back out here. Anyone reviewing your ergonomic analysis of the task can simply point at a particular activity within a task, double click on it, and it will bring up your ergonomic analysis of it. You can of course play the little video here in the top left hand corner, and you can see how we've identified this here. If I restart it again, operator's bending over, straining the back, lifting parts out of the machine and twisting and putting the parts away here. You can see if I play that again here. And again, at any point, you just click on you can want to see how we've defined the lower back. You can click on it here. You can see we've defined the posture, twist and turn, repetitive stress on this particular body member right here. If you want to send it out to your print, you just click on the print option. A couple of seconds later, it's out there in Excel. You can actually do whatever you like with it at that particular point here. So this is the Timer Pro Ergonomics module. Very, very easy to use. Directly from the view option here, you can switch to the ergonomics selection, and that allows you to go back, for instance, to the value added, non-value added view that we started out with.